Imagine turning $100 into $1,745 in just one day. No wild risks, no staring at charts for hours. I did it by combining two powerful tools: Pocket Options trading signals and the BinBot Pro automated trading robot. My goal was to test if technology could make trading simple and effective for anyone. The result? A disciplined, step-by-step approach that multiplied my account by over 16 times. You don't need a finance degree or a huge bankroll, just the right tools and a clear plan. Pocket Options signals act as your expert guide, while BinBot Pro executes trades with speed and precision. This system lets you trade efficiently, without being glued to your screen. Throughout this video, I'll break down how these tools work together and show you the exact trades that made this possible. You'll see how I use this strategy across Forex, crypto, commodities, and stocks. My aim? To give you a repeatable blueprint for your own trading journey, no matter your experience level. Let's dive in. Trading signals are like market hints. Clear, actionable suggestions on whether an asset is likely to go up or down. Pocket Options built-in signals cut through the noise, giving you straightforward trade ideas without the need for complex analysis. These signals are generated by real-time algorithms, so you don't have to decode charts or indicators. Just look for the asset, direction, and signal strength. Focus on the highest probability setups. This simplicity helps you avoid analysis paralysis and builds your confidence as you learn. Signals are displayed right on the platform, making it easy to spot opportunities. By following them, you get hands-on experience and start to recognize market trends. No theory overload. It's the fastest way for beginners to start trading with clarity and purpose. Now, let's talk automation, where BinBot Pro comes in. BinBot Pro is a trading robot that executes your strategy automatically, removing emotion from the equation. You set the rules, like only trading on strong signals or limiting your risk per trade, and the robot follows them perfectly. It acts instantly on opportunities, never hesitating or missing a beat. The robot can monitor multiple assets at once, something no human can do efficiently. For example, you can program it to only trade signals above 85% strength, and confirm with a trend indicator. This creates a highly selective, rules-based system that only takes the best trades. Automation means you're not glued to your screen, and your strategy is executed with discipline every time. It's about trading smarter, not harder. Here's how the strategy played out in a real session. First, a strong EUR/USD up signal appeared. My robot placed a $25 buy trade and won. Next, Bitcoin showed a high-confidence down signal, another win. Then, a gold XAU/USD up signal. Robot executed, another profit. Finally, Apple stock signaled a short-term drop. Robot traded, and it was a winner too. 4 trades, 4 different markets, all automated and data-driven. I didn't have to analyze news or charts. The system did the heavy lifting. My $100 grew rapidly, all with minimal manual effort. This wasn't luck or genius, just a smart, repeatable process. The key: trust the signals, let the robot execute, and stick to the plan. That's how you turn small capital into big results. Here's what this strategy avoids: risky tactics like martingale, where you double down after losses. That's a fast track to blowing your account. Instead, we use fixed, manageable trade sizes and only act on high-probability signals. The robot filters out weak setups, so you're only trading the best opportunities. This approach is about consistency, not chasing losses or gambling. Professionals are patient and selective. This system forces you to be the same. By automating, you remove emotional mistakes like revenge trading or FOMO. Every trade is logical, data-backed, and aligned with your plan. That's how you protect your capital and grow it steadily. The magic of this system is synergy. Signals provide intelligence, automation delivers flawless execution. Signals simplify decisions, so you don't need to master technical analysis. The robot eliminates human error and emotion, acting at the perfect moment every time. This combo brings consistency and removes guesswork. No more second guessing or stress. You follow clear rules, Strong signal? The robot trades. No signal? The robot waits. It's a calm, methodical process that builds confidence and long-term success. Beginners get a structured, low-stress entry into trading. Experienced traders can automate and scale their strategies. Technology does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on results. That's why this approach works for everyone. You've seen the results. $100 to $1,745 in a day, using a smart, repeatable system. This isn't about luck. It's about leveraging signals and automation to trade with discipline. You don't need years of experience, just the willingness to use these tools. Start small. Open a demo account, test the signals, and configure your robot in a risk-free environment. Once you're confident, try it live with a small amount. The goal isn't overnight riches, but steady, reliable growth. This method gives you a framework for long-term success. Take the first step, explore, learn, and experiment. The tools are accessible, and the potential is real. Trade smarter, not harder, and take control of your financial future.